So now let's see how we can work around with related posts block inside of wordpress.com. So over here, I'm just going to go around and scroll down. And let's say what I want to do is add in a related post section right here. So right below this particular image, I'm going to click on the plus button. And over here, I'm going to go ahead and type in related right here. So related, just like this. Then over here, I can see that related post is an option. So I can go ahead and it says you need to activate the related post feature to use this block. Let me just go ahead and activate it. And then you can see that I can go ahead and add in a headline right here, like a similar post right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and you can go ahead and change around, let's say, for example, the type of list that there is for the related posts. You can display out the author as well, display the context and category, display the thumbnails as well, just like this. And then that is what you have. So let me just go around over here onto the grid mode, and you can see that this is what you have right here. You can change around the number of posts right here, just like this as well. And then you can go ahead and change around the text color for the post right here, and change around the background color for the post as well, and change around the link color for the post as well. So apart from that, you can go ahead and change around the font color, as you can see, just like this, and change around, let's say, for example, the size of the post right here, and change around the line height right here as well. Apart from that, you can go ahead and work around with the padding right here, work around with the margin right here, just like this as well, to get similar options right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the related post block right here. If I were to go ahead and save this out, then it simply goes around and saves it right here, just like this. Then what happens is that you can go ahead and view the post right here. And if you were to go around and scroll down, then this is what you have. And as you click on it, it simply goes and redirects to that particular post right there. So that is how you can utilize the related post block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.